These pieces right here, I'm just going to be taking traditional PVC and using a router to match it. So you can do with PVC, the great thing is you can do anything you can do with wood. But my feeling as far as using PVC on older homes, historic homes, so on. Historic homes, anything 1900s or before, unless the whole house is getting redone with PVC, I don't recommend doing it. Only because I would go with more of a maybe natural cedar or something that works with the older house because they don't breathe the same. Anything 1900s and up, especially anything 1950s and up, using PVC is not going to ruin anything integrity wise. It's going to be almost the same as using wood, just because most anything from the 50s up have probably been vinyl sided, they've been tie-vacked, house wrapped. The PVC works when the house is like an envelope. We've got aluminum flashing, you've got this house wrap behind this. With the old houses, especially 1800s houses, there's none of that. It's just raw pine on pine. So when you put plastic on pine, raw pine with no plastic in between, they start to sweat and can rot the wood behind it. So more modern time houses, 1900s on, totally cool. Before that, use discretion.